After nearly 8 hours of deliberating, a Jackson County jury has reached a verdict in the Zachary Wester trial. Wester was arrested back in July of 2019 on 67 charges. He was accused of planting drugs on people during traffic stops and arresting them on fabricated charges. As News 13's Faith Graham tells us, he's been found guilty.
Shortly after 1:30 on Tuesday, the jury announced that they have found Zachary Wester guilty on 19 of the 67 charges. What this means is that of the 12 alleged victims that testified against him, they only found him guilty on charges related to 3 of them. Wester was then taken in cuffs to the Jackson County Jail.
I am going to go ahead and adjudicate you guilty.
After hearing 6 days of testimony and deliberating for 2 days, a jury has found Zachary Wester guilty on 19 counts.
Count 1, guilty of racketeering as charged.
He's also been convicted of 3 counts of official misconduct, 3 counts of perjury, 3 counts of fabricating evidence, 4 counts of possession of a controlled substance, 3 counts of possession of drug paraphernalia, and 2 counts of false imprisonment.
He used the power of his badge to commit over 60 crimes against 12 members of this community.
The Jackson County Sheriff's Office opened an investigation into Wester in the summer of 2018. He was arrested the following summer.
This is a case about the abuse of that incredible power.
Over the last week, the jury heard testimony from 12 of his alleged victims.
Why did you feel like no one was going to believe it?
Because he's a cop.
They also heard from members of law enforcement who investigated the allegations from the start.
I wanted to see if I could get a better look at Deputy Wester's left hand.
Zachary Wester himself also took the stand and maintained his innocence.
Did you plant that syringe in Mr. Emanuel's car?
I did not.
But after reviewing hours of body camera footage and testimony, the jury found Wester to be guilty as charged in the incidents related to Teresa Odom, Joshua Emanuel, and Stephen Van.
Clearly what the jury did is they examined those and they found that the evidence proved beyond a reasonable doubt for just those 3, and we respect that.
A status conference has been set for this coming Monday, May 24th at 11:45 a.m. At that time, they will decide his sentencing date. In Jackson County, Faith Graham, News 13, Panhandle Strong.